Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Universe Untangled, where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech. Today we have some exciting leaks about a device that's creating a lot of buzz, the Google Pixel Fold 2. From groundbreaking design changes to innovative new features, we've got 7 fascinating leaks that will give you a sneak peek into what Google has in store for us. If you're as curious as we are, make sure to stick around because you won't want to miss a single detail. Let's jump right in. Alright, let's get started with the first leak. This one is all about the design, and trust me, it's going to turn heads. But before we dive into that, if you love staying up to date with the latest tech news, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Pixel Fold 2 is a reasonable name for the successor to the Pixel Fold, but Google is rumored to be using a different name. Rumors say that Google will adopt the name Pixel 9 Pro Fold instead of Pixel Fold 2. Google apparently wants this foldable cell phone to join the Pixel 9 series family, which will also include the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. Generally, Pixel cell phones, both regular and foldable cell phones, are released in October through an annual event held by Google. This year, Google is trying to be more different, where they have announced that they will hold a Made by Google event on August 13th. It has been confirmed that the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL will be announced at the event, in addition to the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which is also rumored to be on display. Leaks regarding the design of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold show that this folding cell phone will look slightly different from its predecessor. It is claimed that Google will slightly reduce the width of the cover screen and adopt a squarer aspect ratio for the inner screen, similar to the OnePlus Open. In terms of size, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will apparently have a 6.29-inch screen for the cover outer and 8.02 inches for the inside. It is not surprising that in the future, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be powered by the Tensor G4 chipset, which will also be the main processing brain for other cell phones in the Pixel 9 series. As the latest generation chipset, the Tensor G4 will definitely bring improvements compared to last year's Tensor G3. Apart from that, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is also said to bring an increase in RAM to 16 GB, up 4 GB from its predecessor, and UFS 4.0- based storage. It is still not known for certain what battery capacity the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will carry, but if it is not much different from the 821 mAh on the Pixel Fold, then this foldable cell phone's battery will likely be able to last up to 11 hours. The presence of 30-watt fast charging, which was also available in its predecessor, will be welcomed with open arms by users, in addition to the wireless charging feature like flagship cell phones in general. If you look at the leaks that have appeared on the internet, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will pack 4 rear cameras. 3 of them are reportedly the main camera, ultra-wide and telephoto, while the remaining one is unknown. However, there are rumors that the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will carry another telephoto camera with better optical zoom capabilities, the same as the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. One rumor says that the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will bring improved multitasking, especially when used in portrait mode. Apart from that, this foldable cell phone will almost certainly be equipped with the AI features found in the Pixel 9 series. Some of them include Add Main to improve the quality of group photos and Pixel screenshots, which will search for all the information from the screenshots taken. And there you have it, folks. Those were the 7 known leaks about the Google Pixel Fold 2. From its sleek new design to the exciting camera upgrades, it looks like Google is gearing up to deliver something truly special. What are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay in the loop with all things tech, Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Universe Untangled, and don't forget to ring that bell icon so you get notified every time we drop a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thanks for watching. Click here to check out more of our tech content, and don't forget to follow us on social media for the latest updates. See you next time.